Pinterest can be easily added to your Windows 10 PC for convenient access. In this tutorial, let me show you the installation process. So the first thing you need to do is open the Microsoft Store. When Microsoft Store opens, go to the search box, type Pinterest, and hit enter. You will see Pinterest in search results. Go ahead and click on it to open its details page. On this page, you will see a blue Get button. Click on that. Pinterest will start downloading and installing automatically. Simply wait for the process to complete. When installation is complete, button label will change from Get to Open. To launch the application, use Windows Search, type Pinterest, and open the app from appeared results. As you can see, Pinterest is now launched as an application on your Windows 10 PC. You may also want to add a Pinterest shortcut icon to your desktop. To do this, open Run Dialog, enter the following command, and click OK. This will open a folder containing shortcuts of applications installed on your computer. Find Pinterest, right-click on it, choose Create Shortcut, and then click Yes. Pinterest shortcut icon will be added to your desktop. You can also add it to the taskbar by right-clicking on Shortcut and selecting Pin to Taskbar. Pinterest icon will now be added to your taskbar. So this is how you can install Pinterest on your Windows 10 PC and create shortcuts for quick access. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.